Hello everyone, our batch number is 4 and our project is about alphanumeric keypad using AT89C51 microcontroller, and our project guide is Mr. P. Anil Kumar, Assistant Professor, and our batch members are P. Deepika 217 and Pooja 230, myself 247 Shavni, and our other batch member is 204 Bhuvan Manasa.
Now we are going to explain about the design, analysis and working of alphanumeric keypad using AT89C51 microcontroller. Our presentation shows the way to interface keypad with 8051 microcontroller to display the alphabetical characters on an LCD. This is the power supply circuit, this is the switch, this is the voltage regulator, and this is the LED. This one is a very important part of the circuit, that is the microcontroller. We'll place the microcontroller chip on this socket and close this like this. And this one is the LCD where the characters are displayed, and this one is the rheostat. Whenever the cursor doesn't come, if the supply is given, when we preset or set this rheostat, we'll get the cursor. The columns of the keypad are connected to the bottom 3 pins of the port 3. This is the port 3. Whereas rows of the keypad are connected to the upper 4 pins of the port 3. And this is the keypad. These are the pins of the keypad. The entire port 2, that is the input to the LCD, is connected to the data pins of the LCD. These are the data pins of the LCD, and this is the port 2. The first 3 pins of the port 1 are connected to the RS, RW, EA pins of the LCD respectively. These are the RS, RW and E pins of the LCD. We use a 4-volt adapter for the power supply circuit. The program necessary to print the alphanumeric characters on the LCD is dumped into the microcontroller using Keil and Proteus software. This is the microcontroller.
This is our program in Notepad, which is executed in the Keil software. This segment of the program is for getting the required delay. This is for latching the command to the LCD pins, and this to latch the data to the LCD pins. This part of the program is to print the first character of each key when the key is pressed once. This part of the program is to print the second character of each key when the keys are pressed twice. This part of the program is to print the third character of each key when the key is pressed thrice. This is to check each row in which the pressed key lies. This part of the program is to check each column in which the pressed key lies. This is a schematic for alphanumeric keypad using AT89C51 microcontroller in Proteus software.
To type GRIT on this LCD, we need to type G, the key 3 once to get G, then the key 6 thrice to get R, then the key 3 again twice to get E, then the key 2 twice to get E, then the key 7 twice to get T. So we can see the display of GRIT on this LCD clearly. For example, if we want to type GRIT on this LCD, we need to press 3 once to get G, then the key 6 thrice to get R, then the key 3 again thrice to get I, then the key 2 to get E, then the key 7 twice to get T. So we can see the word GRIT on the LCD here, as we can see here. Then there is also a facility of going backward by pressing E like this, and the key 0 is for space purpose, and the key F is given for forward, going forward.